I feel that pity for the people for their own right, they have to come to the street. Having said that, we from the government, we are trying to do what it is needed to do so that we will get the installment from the central government. We are very happy that we are one of the few states which have got the full first installment from the government of India. And now all the necessary you see this and that we have submitted to the central government. In fact, last week also I am in Delhi to pursue for the second installment of this thing. So on the behalf of the government, I request that they should see that we are trying to it, and as we know that the budget is starting on the 4th, and I hope that something could be done before the 31st of March regarding the pending salary. We from the state government, the government will try to do something which I hope that after the budget. So from the government side, we request that nothing should be done until and unless through protest, this and that. But having said that, the government is trying its best, and we will try to do what maximum possible before the 31st of March 2022. Remember in 2019, about 78 crore plus, I don't remember the exact figure, we have drawn from the corpus fund to meet the emergency need of the SSA teachers. And having said that, I have already explained to you, after this budget session, we will try to do something positive within the 31st of March 2022.